Today, we'll be installing the new Torklift ApexAnchor part number C5201 in-bed camper tie-downs on a Chevy 3500. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame and pop up out of its bed. Concealable when out of use, these provide the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. If you enjoy this video, consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs.
We're going to begin by loosening and removing the factory bed bolt, the furthest most factory bed bolt, using an 18mm socket. Then using the same 18, we're going to loosen but not fully remove the overload bump stop bracket. Then we're going to take our driver's side receiver, slide it underneath the edge of the bolt for the bump stop, and line it back up with the bed bolt hole and reinstall your removed bed bolt. Leaving hand tight for now. Then we're going to loosen the forwardmost leaf spring hanger bolt, leaving about a ½ inch gap, but not fully removing the bolt. Then we're going to take our vertical strap, sliding it underneath and behind our upper plate, sliding it up and snugging the leaf spring bolt just to hold the plate so it doesn't fall, and connect the vertical plate to your receiver plate. Finishing each one with a 3/8 flange nut. Then we can go ahead and tighten all 4 of the 3/8 bolts. Now we're going to tighten up the 2 factory bolts that we loosened before using the same 18mm socket while we push the receiver up towards the bed and in towards the frame. Then we can tighten up the leaf spring bolt . Now, using 2 of your 3/8 bolts and flange nuts, we are going to mount the drill template to the upper holes in our frame mount. While pushing the drill template up towards the bottom of the bed, we're going to snug those 2 bolts up to hold the drill template in place. Then, using our long 1/4-inch drill bit, we're going to drill up through the bottom of the bed and through our drill template. Then we're going to go ahead and remove our drill template so that way we can drill our 2-inch hole in the top of the bed. Now using a 2-inch hole saw, we're gonna drill down through our 1/4-inch pilot hole through the bed. Now we're going to install the skirt, making sure that the fingers run front to back of the bed. Now we're going to install our receiver through the bottom of the bed and up through the skirt. Using a little bit of WD-40 can ease with the install of it through the skirt. Now using the 4 1/4 3/8 long bolts with flat washers, we're going to install the receiver to the main frame brace, finishing them with 3/8 flange nuts. Now there is adjustment in the receiver to go up and down. We're looking for about an 1/8 inch above the skirt. Then tighten down all 4 of the remaining bolts. Installation complete.
Once installed, simply pull up on the insert and twist to lock into position. Your Apex anchors are now ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.